Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we've made two braids by separating our hair into two sections. Then we are going to fold the braids to the opposite sides with the help of these bobby pins. After that you can apply any kind of clips or clutches to your hairstyle. Next we are taking a ponytail and then applying this clip underneath it and then folding it out with the help of this black pin into a bun, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to divide our hair into three parts, then making a braid and securing them with rubber band. After that we are going to fold the hair into a small bun, then applying this beautiful turquoise pin to it. Next we are taking a ponytail and then we are going to twist it and fold it into a round bun and using this beautiful white clutcher for holding the hair. Next we are taking a low ponytail, applying a rubber band at the middle, then we are going to fold it out with the help of this beautiful pin, and your hairstyle is ready.